Hi there, my name is Faizan Amjed, and in this video we will create this beautiful shine effect in DaVinci Resolve. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first step is we can go to the OpenFX and we can search for Edge Detect. We can drag this on top of this clip. Now we can press Alt key on the keyboard. We can drag this clip on top of the main track. We can select this track and we can go to the effects. We can delete this Edge Detect. Select this one and we can enable edge mask overlay. Now the next step is we can go to the Fusion page, and in Fusion page we can drag a mask. We can connect this mask to a media in. Now I'm going to drag this mask, so let's change this to single view and let's rotate this. Press Ctrl key and using the scroll we can zoom in and zoom out. Now we can soften the edge and we can shrink this mask about here. Now guys, the next step is we can go to the first frame of this clip. We can add a keyframe in the center. Let's go a few frames ahead and we can drag this like this. Now we can add a keyframe, go a few frames ahead, and now we can drag this right here and we can play this on top of this video. Let's add a keyframe, place this right here, and now we are done. Now we can go to the spline. We can enable rectangle. We can select all these keyframe and we can smooth this keyframe out, so we have a smooth animation. Now go to the edit page, and now if I play this video, as you can see, now we have this shine effect. Now we can also select this video. We can change the edge detection from RGB to grayscale, so we will have this shine effect. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.